Hello everyone, my name is the Bird Boy, and on the last episode, I was telling my son off. Now, we're at 3D level HD by Nero Crin. No comment? Wow. Hey Dad. Oh no, oh you son of a... Here, let's... Oh yes, rushing to get to work. Oh! What? Go! Oh! 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 Yes! Yes, that was an awesome level. We're starting this episode off with the end, I see. Fall 2 by Creeper495. This is the second time I'm doing Fall. Oh, I'm Australian, mate. What? Oh, God. Oh. Ready, mate? Oi, mate. Haha. I just killed myself, mate. Oh, you see that, chaps? Oh, look at that, I'm grinding myself up on my own lawnmower, eh? Eh? I don't think they say eh. Mega Heart Donation by AndrewBoss55. No comment. What the heck? Don't move. Ah, well, that was pretty cool. Okay. Whoa. I see my head. I'm sucking out my own arm. Oh, let me just move that. Look at that heart go. Look at it go. Jeez. That was pretty awesome. I always enjoy these levels.
Oh, God.
Yes! I'm alive with that little crap! Oh, but Jones. 9999999.9% impossible by Captain Creeper. This is my first level, so please rate 5. What's down here? Oh. I got curious. Oh god, there's a landmine up there. Okay. Oh. That was awesome. Okay, nope. Oh! That didn't work. Oh, that failed. I'm a fail. Oh, dang it. Son. Son. Ah, dang it, son. Let's just move on. Epic Neon Rope Swing by the Doc 1452. Para Will Rex. Oh, I don't know that. Okay, ready? Wee. Oh. Wee. Okay. Just a regular rope swing backflip. Alright. Ooh, no! My arm! I got this. No! So close! Okay. Wait, cannibal. Oh, yes. Oh, I didn't do my backflip. Whoop. Whee. Oh god, overshot it. Okay, no I didn't. Whoop. That time I overshot it. We're gonna do this. Whee, cannibal. Whoop. No! Dang it, I knew that was gonna happen. I was like, could I get that lucky? What the heck? Come on, last try. Okay. Okay, no, for last time, for real. No, hold on, last time for realsies. For realsies? Okay, last time for realsies, like seriously. Come on, there we go. Okay, yeah, no. Earn to Die Zombie by Krusta 5. Kill zombie. Killed myself. There's a zombie on my hood, and I killed myself. I'm a flying car. You can make it. Make it. Don't bleed out. Don't bleed out on me. Damn it. No, I bled out. There's a zombie on my hood. There's a zombie on my hood. Why? No. Oh. Whee. Oh god. Okay. Backflip. Yes. Epic Sword Throw by Bro Army 0221. My first level. Hey, I'm a noob. Kill me. Whatcha? That was pretty. That was Oh, Santa. Wait. One sword? Oh, okay. Only thing to do now is just... nope. Yep, okay, I killed everybody. With just like one sword. That was freaking amazing. Green Nightmare by Not a Number. Oh yeah, we're going to buy some candy for the doggy. No, we're going to buy some tequila for the dog. You want to know why? Because I don't care about you either, sons or daughters or trans or bestites or hybrids. Why do you keep dancing? Oh. Whoa. The haircut makes her look like a lesbian. She might be a lesbian, actually. Ah, oh, crap. My arm is bleeding. I hate you all. I hate you all. This is my lesbian voice. This is my lesbian voice. Oh yeah. So yeah, we're having a good time. Oh God. Oh. Yeah, I don't even wanna. Yeah, it's a good level. I mean, Sword Throw Jetfall by Don Skin. Have fun. I will have fun. Thank you. Next stage. Oh, alright. I just Michael Jackson did here there. Did you see that? Oh God. Oh, oh. No. My arm. Oh crap, like that? Oh, too late. And we finish with a face slide. Alright. Top Secret by Zaberzon. 223. No comment. Wow. Nobody likes comments. Welcome my secret one. Okay, let's go down here. Oh crap. Oh no, I got my stuff. Vespa or scooter or whatever you're called. Go! That didn't work. No, 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 no. Dang it. Son. No, 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 no. I don't even care. Oh.
Hello there.
Shut up.
How are you doing?
What? No. I want my scooter. What? My scooter. Come. Ah. No. Fine. See ya. Don't die on me. No! Dang it. Yeah, I'm not gonna even try. Ball Throw by Ultra Hello. This is my first level, so I hope you enjoy it. It is fun. I bet you it is. Extra ball. Alright. Woo! Woo! Bonus balls. Alright. Woo! Nope. Woo! No, okay. Woo! Oh yeah. I am holding up. Awesome. Oops. Sorry about that. Close. Cannon Race by Il Bambosina 97. No comment, jeez. Holding up. Woo! Santa! Santa! Oh God! Oh! That one. See? I'm gonna grab like a Santa! Whoop! I got your nipple! Please live, please live, please live. You can do it! Oh no, I'm dead. One last try. Wait! Ah! Impact the blow for me! Hey guys, nah, I'm just, just lost my leg and stuff. And that's how it's done. PewDiePie Quiz by Cody123. It's short and difficult. I didn't say hard for a reason. It was still kind of funny. What's PewDiePie's real name? Actually, this one. Girlfriend? Marcia? What? You saw that was bullcrap. Go, 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 go. You saw that was complete bullcrap. I don't care. That's what he'd say. It's Matsia. Santa? What's PewDiePie's first video? Minecraft. Actually, it was none of those. Sorry, fellow bros, but okay. That was pretty cool. Glass Break Epic by Lil Elmo by 123 by Lil Elmo 1234. Jeez, have fun. Okay, I will. Hey Dad. Oh, don't start with me. Hey Dad. Don't start with me. Hey Dad. Don't start with me. Hey Dad. Okay, what? Hi. Ooh. Ooh. What? Oh, damn it. Yeah, I better win. Ooh. Swear to God. There's a Harpoon by Jax21Q. No comment. Oh, yeah, let's just skip that. I don't really. Dumb Way to Die 2 by Cornelius Morst. Please rate 5 to continue part 3. I need more ideas, so can you make the ideas for Dumb Way 3? Max 2 ideas. Thank you. Wrong potion. Ah! Falling TV. Where's the TV? I don't think you explode after that. Meet Slender. Oh. Haha, Slender has a round head. Never knew that. That damn jet ball. Ah, okay. Troll. Wipe out. Haha. Playing video game. Oh. Jeez. That was a cool level. Way to Die, Hope. Way to Die 1 by Neox. Press the green button. Oh, mine. Oh, crap. Hooking up with a zombie prostitute. Oh. Love. Yeah, that was very nice. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to end it here. I hope you all enjoyed. Please leave a like or comment, tell me how I did, and subscribe to become a part of everybody or the Everybody Army. Okay? I will see you later. And as always, have a good day.